In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use line breaks in Google Sheets. Whether you're creating a complex data model or simply organizing your personal budget, knowing how to insert line breaks can make your sheets much more readable and organized. So, let's get started. First up, you'll want to open up Google Sheets. You can do this by heading over to your preferred web browser and logging into your Google account. Once you're logged in, navigate to Google Sheets either through the Apps Grid, the Google Drive, or simply by typing in sheets.google.com in the browser's address bar. When you arrive, either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one where you'd like to work. Now that you have your spreadsheet open, it's time to input a formula that enables line breaks. The magic formula you'll use is the concatenate formula, coupled with char10. This formula blends together text from different cells and places a line break in between. The char10 function specifically is what will insert that line break for us. Next, you'll need to choose the first cell you want to include in this process. Let's say it's A1. Click on it and make sure it's selected. This action will effectively anchor down one side of the content you're trying to merge using the line break. Following that, it's time to pick the next cell. Let's use B1 for this example. This cell's contents will be merged with A1 using the line break formula. Make sure B1 is also clearly selected. Once you have both cells identified, the next step is to click on B1 to keep it active. You'll need to either edit this cell or just ensure it's active for entering the formula. Now it's finally time to type in the full formula into B1. Go ahead and enter each concatenate A1 char10 B1. After pressing enter, you'll notice text from both cells now appears in B1 with a clear line break in between. If you don't see the line break immediately, double check that text wrapping is enabled. You can do this by visiting the formatting options and selecting text wrap. There you have it. With these steps, you can create line breaks in your Google Sheets and significantly enhance readability. This concludes our guide on using line breaks in Google Sheets. We hope you find this tip useful for your data organizing tasks. If you enjoyed today's lesson or found it helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more everyday tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheet.